a friend. Magic circles start to glow. Only she knows where they go. Every heartbeat skips a beat. Every shadow at her feet. Ghostly roses blooming red, growing where the angels bled.
Crystal goblets overflow with the wine as dark as crow.
She just laughs and takes my hand, leading to her haunted land.
Run away
If you can,
no one's ever
escaped her hands.
hear her whisper.
Soft and low,
There's no place
left to go.
She's the Crimson Witch tonight.
Burning stars with crimson light.
Every promise fades away.
Only darkness wants to stay.
Whoa, break the spell. Whoa,
Ring the bell.
she's the queen of broken dreams.
Nothing's ever what it seems.
Hey, strike the strings, slap that bass, raise the fire, pick up the pace.
Black cats gather, circle round. Magic echoes from the ground. Tarot cards begin to fall. Destiny has claimed us all.
Her laughter echoes.
Through the mist, one last kiss, one deadly kiss. Morning never finds this place. Only moonlight on her face. She still dances all alone.
Waiting.